right there. Okay.
Been at this shit for a minute, my R wasn't always in it. A trill nigga, I will be the first one that admit it. Focusing on them digits, motivation to get it. If I talk it, then I live it. No fraud, and that never been in me, nah. I ball, dreaming, I see my vision. These adolescents is nothing, I swear I run this division. I told them I'm about to get them. They following me on Twitter, producers sending me beats. And knowing me, I'ma kill them, yes. Won't understand it, I never planned it, it's destiny. Situation got better cause God blessing me. Money calling my baby mama be stressing me. I stand in front of this mic and giving you the best of me. Either the Mac or the 40, that's what's protecting me. These neighborhood shorties be looking corny, trying to sex me. Niggas out of pocket, they pull that shit out and pop it. These youngins ain't got no heart, so boxing is not an option, nah. I bust a sack and I roll it up, they get high. In the trap, busting trash, flipping packs just to get by. Cops riding by every night as a homicide. And that blood stain the payment with tears, my mama cries. Hustle just to survive, most niggas don't even try. I learned to keep me a hustle and a hustle on the side. Surround myself with winners, around some positive niggas. They say money got no owners, it only just got some spinners. 83, it was winter, my mama had birthed a winner. Shopping bags, I carried her, pumping gas for dinner. Holding crack with drug dealers and shovel snow in December. Shout out my nigga Jonesy, been here since the beginning. That's my nigga, and now I ride for my nigga, dawg. For my nigga, kill every witness that get involved. Different niggas, the same vision, let's get it, dawg. Know how we do it, who got it cheapest, I'm with it, boy. Marijuana slanging, I'm banking and thinking about some more. My daughters getting older, they wanting juicy couture. I grind way smarter, won't see me in front of the store. Hand in hand with these fiends, I'm way different from y'all. Applause, I be clapping for you actors. Imitation they practice, I'm penetrating the atlas. Yeah, real niggas respect it. My style must be effective, my craft getting perfected. Bitches.